Imagine this. You're walking down the street after a busy day when suddenly you get robbed. The thief steals your money and runs off down the alley, now able to use it to his own advantage. Well, what if I told you that this is happening to innocent sea creatures every day? This cute little guy, commonly known as a leaf sheep or Costiciella covershima, is a sea slug from the tropical waters of Asia. These creatures can get up to around 0.3 inches in length, so they're pretty small, and they were discovered in 1993 off the coast of Japan. Right now, the animal in this image is doing something amazing. It is performing kleptoplasty. Kleptoplasty is the process in which an animal, commonly sea slugs, eat algae, but don't digest the chlorophyll that the algae uses for photosynthesis. Then the organism can perform photosynthesis when it needs to. Well, how does kleptoplasty work? First, the sea slug eats the algae using its mouth parts, called radula. Then the slug separates the chloroplasts, which are now called kleptoplasts, from the other parts of the algal cells. The chloroplast gets saved, while the other parts of the cells get digested for food. Now, this is a big mystery. Scientists do not fully understand this portion of the process yet. It's still not clear how the chloroplasts are separated, if the slugs can communicate with them, or how they prevent their bodies from rejecting said chloroplasts. Once they are separated from the slug's food, these kleptoplasts are then transferred into the small tubes on its back. These tubes have the same general purpose as leaves do for plants. They increase the amount of surface area exposed to sunlight, allowing for more photosynthesis to occur. There have been quite a few experiments showing how the sea slugs use kleptoplasty to survive in otherwise difficult situations. One example is an experiment performed by a group of biologists from both Germany and Portugal. In 2017, the scientists deprived two populations of slugs from food. Then they put one small container in the sunlight and one in darkness. By doing this, they found that the slugs left in the sunlight thrived and grew, while the other ones in the darkness died. This proved that the sea slugs can switch between consuming food and using photosynthesis to produce glucose when needed. These little guys are really important because they represent something quite uncommon in the animal world. They are a living organism that can switch between using photosynthesis and cellular respiration when needed. While the process of kleptoplasty isn't fully understood by scientists, it opens up a whole new world of possibilities. Imagine if we could employ a similar process in our day-to-day life. The way they can separate small molecules could lead to breakthroughs in the pharmaceutical industry. The way they keep chloroplasts in their bodies could show us a way to prevent organ transplant rejection. Here are my sources, and thank you for watching.